The Vitilan V3 2.0 folding electric bicycle delivers an exceptional balance of power, portability, and rugged versatility, making it a standout choice for riders seeking an e-bike that fits into compact spaces without compromising on performance. Crafted from durable 6061 aluminum alloy, the V3 boasts a foldable frame that's not only lightweight at just 64 pounds, but also remarkably strong, supporting up to 330 pounds of rider and cargo. This makes it a practical option for apartment dwellers, urban commuters, or anyone with limited storage space. At the heart of this e-bike is a robust 750W brushless motor that peaks at a powerful 1200W. This high-performance motor offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and generates up to 80 Newton-meters of torque, allowing the V3 to confidently tackle steep slopes up to 35 degrees. Whether navigating hilly terrain or commuting through city traffic, the motor's steady and responsive output ensures a smooth, reliable ride every time. Powering the motor is a 48V 13Ah removable lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 624 Wh of energy. On a full charge, riders can expect a range of approximately 50 miles in pedal assist mode on flat terrain and around 30 miles in full electric mode. Charging is convenient and flexible. The battery can be detached for home or office charging and reaches full capacity in just 5 to 6 hours, making it ideal for daily use. The Vitilan V3 2.0 is equipped with 20-inch by 4.0-inch CST puncture-resistant fat tires, designed to conquer all kinds of surfaces, from gravel and snow to sand and asphalt. Paired with a responsive front suspension fork, the bike offers excellent shock absorption and stability across diverse landscapes, transforming your ride into a smooth and confident journey no matter the environment. A smart LCD color display adds a modern, user-friendly touch. It presents real-time data such as speed, trip distance, and total mileage with high clarity, even in direct sunlight. Another notable feature is the integrated cruise control function. With a simple press and hold of the rotary throttle for 8 seconds, the bike locks into a constant speed, allowing your hands to relax and enhancing long-distance comfort. In summary, the Vitilan V3 2.0 folding electric bike is purpose-built for riders who want power and convenience in a single, compact package. Its impressive motor performance, long-range battery, robust build, and intelligent features make it a powerful companion for city commuting, weekend explorations, and off-road escapades alike.